Today, we will explore the Saudi Neom City project. Here, we explain the key details of the development in Saudi Arabia. Neom is arguably the world's largest and most controversial architecture project. The line, which is the most well-known, as well as Oxagon, Trojina, and Cindala. This is NEO Saudi Arabia's vision for the future, an advanced, sustainable, and futuristic megacity. Let's get started. Number 1. The line. Here's the construction update of the line. First announced back in 2021 by Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince, Mohamed bin Salman, the line is by far the country's most ambitious mega-project to date. It's supposed to be a self-sustaining linear city that would stretch more than 100 kilometers from the Red Sea up to about the city of Tabouk to the east. The plan for the city consists of two 500 or tall buildings that would run parallel to each other. The vision is that everything you need is within walking distance, and the entire city will have zero cars, zero roads, and emit zero emissions. Of course, an announcement like this provoked a lot of reactions, especially after drone footage of excavation work was revealed way back in October of 2022. But not much is known about the actual progress of the construction site. So how does it look today? There's actually been a lot of work done on the line over the past year. In a recent exclusive interview from the project's executive director, it was revealed that construction of the vital infrastructure is estimated to be 20% complete. This includes important roads, offices, and logistic hubs necessary for future work on the site. The Neom Community 1, for example, now looks and functions like a complete city of its own, complete with hundreds of housing units, a school, a mosque, a post office, convenience stores, and a bus station. It seems that excavation work for the line's main structure has had some significant progress over the past year as well. Excavation work on the coastal section, known as the Hidden Marina, is also well underway. Once completed, this section of the project would become the single largest marina in the entire world. Currently, work on the Hidden Marina is considered to be the largest excavation project in the world. As many as 1 million cubic meters of earth are being dug up each week to make way for the construction. At its peak, more than 60 piles for the structure's foundation were installed on a daily basis. For one, the total length of the underground tunneling to be done has been reduced by more than 30 kilometers. Current contracts with other companies mainly involve the excavation and foundation work. Meanwhile, the state-owned construction company Power China is responsible for the current piling work being done on the marina. Finally, Italian contractor Rebuild and Saudi's own Sajco have recently been awarded the contract to build a high-speed rail line that would connect the line to Oxagon. But despite all this recent and pretty significant progress, there's still many justified criticisms against the project. Number 2. Trojina. The next major development, which is Trojina, an insane luxury outdoor winter and skiing destination in the middle of a vast mountainous desert. Though similar in scale and absurdity as the rest of the other projects in Neom, one thing sets it completely apart from the others. Saudi Arabia actually has to completely finish building it in just 6 years. The project was first announced by the Crown Prince back in 2022, just a few months before the country's successful bid for the Winter Games. Located some 50 kilometers from the Red Sea coast, Trojina is situated within one of the country's highest mountain ranges. A total of 1.6 million cubic meters of material has already been excavated at the site for the creation of a giant man-made lake at the center of the project. This is Trojina's vertical village, which will be dug out from the surrounding mountains. According to the project's executive director, more than 1 million cubic tons of material have already been excavated from the mountains. Foundation work on the future ski village has also been in progress over the past year. One of the greatest criticisms against Trojina is the feasibility of maintaining a winter destination in such an environment. Although temperatures in the mountains can reach below freezing. Number 3. Sandala. Let's get to Sandala, another major project within Neom that's currently under construction. It's Neom's luxury island resort destination off the city's coast. The island destination is well positioned by the Red Sea and is accessible either by boat, seaplane, or the nearby Neom Bay Airport. Sandala will be a world-class yachting destination which features an 86-berth marina. The island will also be home to 3 luxury hotels, a golf course. First announced just in December of this past year, this major project is expected to be the very first to open within Neom. Its developers plan to welcome the island's very first guest by as early as 2024. Being built roads have already been built, and the basic layout of the buildings and foundations have already been decided. Some structures around the island's marina. Number 4. Oxagon. Finally, the major project within Neom is Oxagon, a floating industrial port city by the kingdom's west coast. To give a brief background, Oxagon is supposed to be the business and industrial heart of Neom. It would be a port city located in one of the busiest shipping routes in the world and serve various emerging industries such as green energy. City's main industrial and logistics hub with an investment of $2 billion. Saudi Arab hopes to open city, complete with dedicated residential, entertainment, leisure, and tourist districts. Some notable companies are looking to expand their business through this project. All these developments are set to open sometime between 2025 and 2026. Saudi Arabia seems to be quite serious about turning their trailers into reality. How exactly they will turn out, though, well, it's such an exciting and ambitious project. Neom aims to be a futuristic city, blending technology, sustainability. It's set to be a hub for various industries like energy, tourism, and entertainment. We'll see in the future. I really hope you guys enjoyed this update video. And do you want to see more videos like this? Do you think Neom's projects will become reality? Let us know in the comments right down below. And we are excited to read them for this video. That's for sure. Thank you for watching, and just like always,